Hey, Stella Stars, it's your girl Stella back here once again. What's poppin'? How y'all doing? I knew you was doing good, but let's hop right into it. The reason why I brought y'all on here today is because I've been shopping at Target. But anyway, y'all, it's the first of the year, and I'm always very in tune with the fact that I'm trying to lose 5 pounds. I try to lose 5 or 10 pounds every new year. Sometimes I'm successful and sometimes I'm not. But I started off like I'm going to do real good, child. Like, I'm just going to do real good. But, y'all, I went and ordered my stuff. I wonder, did y'all go and order y'all stuff? Did y'all go and order y'all stuff? Because look what I got. I went to Target because I had to get Tabitha Brown. Y'all know how much we love Tabitha Brown, okay? So she had these this box set, y'all. Look at that. I just love her. I just love her. So I actually bought this because I'm going to be doing some fabulous meal prepping, and I like to when I have to go into work, I like to make sure I'm fashionable, okay? Even when I go into work. So I actually bought a few things, y'all. I sure did. I bought these. And it's got like the little separators in there. Like, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Because don't play with us, okay? Like, just don't even, all right? And, like, look at there. I got the little travel snack cup. Look at that. Look at it. I actually like this. I'm going to take it out so I can actually show y'all just how big it is. Because I was worried whether this was going to be really, really small, you know, like really tiny. But it's actually really good size. The size of my hand. Y'all, look at that. Like, you can put your little snacks in that part. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Hold on a minute, because I'm about to tear something up. And I don't want to tear my little thing up. All right? So you take it. Don't play with us, okay? Because we're going to be fashionable. There, say very good. Look at there. Look at that. Oh! I actually love this a lot. All right? Now, I done went and bought some more stuff because I really like the stuff that I got, y'all. I really do like it. So, I'm always going to go too far. I'm always just going to go too far. So, let me show y'all. Look at that. Isn't it cute? This is the Tabitha Brown collection, y'all, at Target. I went and got the lunch bag because we just had to have it. And since I hadn't posted the video that I was supposed to post, it don't make no sense. I might as well just plug it in. So this is why I look all different. But this is my workout clothes, y'all. This what I work out in. And guess what? I went and got the isolated mug. Now, look at that. That thing cute, ain't it? It's real cute. And let me see. Look at that. Y'all. It's just something about having really cute stuff. For me, I just gotta have it. Y'all, look at that. That's the spoon. It's so practical. Like, I could really take this in to work, excuse me. And I could put me some soup off in here. See, back in the day, my daddy used to work at the shipyard, and my mama would, and it used to be cold on the shipyard. And so my mama always had my dad one of those big thermal things, and she would fill it up full of soup for him. And so I got one that's a little smaller, and I'm a little ratchet. I'm trying to drink the soup out of the thing, because that's what I'm going to do. That's just what I'm going to do. But y'all, I had to show y'all this. So that is why you see this plugged into the video, because I went and got this stuff too. And I wanted y'all to see it because I'm going to be real cute while I am getting my life together. Back to the rest of the shop. All right, so I did want to show y'all a little bit close up on this right here. Did want to show y'all. Look at that. We gonna be eating in style. Look at that. That's how I'm taking this in to work. And then it's got the good old little strap here. Just put it on there like that. I love this. It's so colorful. It's so pretty. I like it. I like cute stuff, y'all. I am just such a girl. I am such a girl. And I am such a Tabitha Brown fan. I am such a Tabitha fan. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in. I just wanted to pop in really quickly and show y'all that little set that I got, the Tabitha Brown set that I got from Target. Let me know whether or not you got one from Target. And let me know if you have seen any other really cute ones, because you know I like to switch things up here and there. So I may not use this all the time. But if you find another cute set, it don't matter what the name of it is, child. Let me know and let's see.